Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of It's About Time, where I've been periodically cleaning out my closet, pulling out my overstock, pulling out my hoarding, getting it all opened up, and not doing it anymore. Let's get into it. Let's start off with an M2. Got an awesome bootlegger here, the 1958 Chevy Apache stepside. Man, how nice is that? Opening doors, opening hood. Typical M2 style, but blacked out like that, bootlegger, stepside. Can't go wrong with that, that's just awesome. Next up, we have a Matchbox color changer. I already opened this one up a while ago. I did a video on color changers versus color shifters, but I can't find my loose one. And I definitely collect the Mudstanger, so get a nice, fresh blister crack here for my loose collection. After that, we got a pretty cool 3-pack from Hot Wheels. Well, there's the fantasy casting. It's got a chrome base, and it says the name of it on it, but the chrome is so shiny I can't read it. Fantasy casting. And then this super awesome SRT Viper. Beautiful, beautiful metallic red. Just a really, really clean casting. And then this beautiful burnt orange 1985 Camaro IROC Z. This is the big reason why I bought that 3-pack. Alright, moving on to this crazy thing. This is just a little blanket for kids to play with. Just some track pictures on it, and it comes with a car. Got this from Walgreens. So, yeah, it's pretty big. I'll show you guys at the end. There we go, we'll make that the background for a second. Here's the car that comes with it. Carbonic. Kind of an interesting casting. Kind of Corvette-y looking. Right, couple Alfa Romeos. I've had these on my wall for quite some time. I've been debating opening them. I only have one of each. I try and have a carded version and a loose version of all my Alfa Romeos, but my loose collection is sadly missing a few of its Alfa Romeos. This is a Matchbox Alfa Romeo 4C, and this is from 2015. What a cool little buddy. Very nicely done, Matchbox. Clean, front and rear tampos. Perfect, just perfect. Up next, we have the Alfa Romeo Giulia Sprint GTA from Matchbox. This one comes from 2008. Nice. This is the second to last Giulia Sprint that I need. There's one more from Matchbox that comes in a pearl white. Still looking for that one. But other than that, my loose collection of Alfa Romeo Giulia Sprints is complete, between Matchbox and Hot Wheels, that is. Now we have a couple of Matchbox cases that I haven't opened up yet. They're open. I did a review on them, but I haven't cracked the cars yet. I got case M, case L. I'm going to spread those out for you. Let's get into it. All right, we're going to start off with the Matchbox L case. First up, we got the Meter Maid. Here's a variation of the Meter Maid that I actually don't have open yet. Cool little casting. Kind of Matchbox's answer to the cool combi, sort of. The Hail Cat. Interesting little snow vehicle. This is a really cool one, the MBX RV. Matchbox does campers pretty good. Has a nice opening feature in the back where you can see into whatever those are. The Ridge Raider. And the Ridge Raider. Interesting for a fantasy casting, I guess. This one's cool though. International Scout 4x4. If you follow my channel, you know I have enough steamrollers in my collection, and I've actually already opened up this Matchbox one, but there you go, the rolled roller. I love this casting, the MBX Turf Hauler. This thing is a beast, it rolls great. I'm really not big on my construction equipment, but Matchbox does it really good, and this is just a really nice dump truck. Love the red color for the cab. The MBX all-terrain crane. Pretty neat, we got a moving feature there. If you guys watch my car Plinko, you know that I already opened up the Tractor King, but Here's another one, Tractor King. And I already cracked one of these open for my son, the Duke, but I'm going to crack one open for my own loose collection. This is pretty sweet, the follow-up to the Tuk. 4x4s. This one's pretty sweet though, the Baja Bandit. Awesome little off-road vehicle. The Dodge Viper GTSR. And you gotta know by now, I already have a couple of these open. The 70 Datsun 510 Rally. So this will be staying on card. That and they don't make the 5-spoke wheels anymore. It's all coming out with the hubcap, so I'm gonna leave that on card. The 71 Pontiac Firebird Formula. This is a really cool casting. Here's a cool one that I already have open, but you can never have too many Aqua Kings open. Yeah, Matchbox came out with a few fantasy castings that had people excited. This was one of them. This and the Glass King. Here's another one of the really great castings from this case. The 02 Chevy Avalanche. Hot Pink. That's fantastic. Surprised I haven't opened it up by now. Alright, let's grab the M case. Jump into that next. It's going to be quite a bit of a smaller unboxing on the M case here, as there's quite a few repeats from the L case, and of course doubles that were in the M case. Jump right into it anyways. Starting off with the Tesla Model S in white. Add this to my ever-growing Tesla collection. ATV 6x6. The Tree Lugger. And of course, the 68 Ford Mustang. They changed the name of it, I guess, but it'll always be the Mudstanger to me. But it still says Mudstanger right on there, so. Mudstanger. And here's Matchbox's answer to the Tankinator, the Blockade Buster. And of course, just like the Tankinator, it spins, although a lot easier. The 2015 Ford F-150 contractor truck. Cool truck, got a little ladder rack dealie in the back. I like it. The Terraniac. This part come off? Sure does. Oh, not carrying a whole lot, but it comes off anyways. Then the 2016 Camaro convertible. This is an awesome casting. Nice job, Matchbox. How perfectly done is that? Matching size wheels, front and rear tampos. Perfect, just perfect. Malibu Marauder. And I guess I must have opened this one up for the unboxing when I got the cases originally. The Speed Trapper. Well, I'm setting up my cars here for my end shot, and check this out. Look at the door on my bootlegger. Hopefully I can bend that back in place. Actually be able to shut my door correctly. Not 100%, but at least the door is shut. I'll go back in and tweak it a little later. It actually moves pretty easily. Well, there it is. That is my closet cleanup for today. I'll try and get a few more boxes out and do another video next week. Appreciate everyone for hanging out. Hope you guys are out hunting. Hope you guys are out finding cool things, doing cool things. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.